Alright, good morning. Happy Saturday. Got a lot of stuff going on this week. It's been kind of busy. Like always though, on Saturdays I just kind of sit out here for a few minutes and drink my coffee, let the chickens out with our automatic chicken door. Works pretty well. And then, feed the dogs, feed the cats, try to keep them out of the house. They like to come around, and because we sleep later on Saturdays, right, than normal, so they're usually ready to eat about 6:30. On Saturdays, of course, we sleep till 8 o'clock. So they all come running and everything. But anyway, we got the tractor. My son's been putting the dirt along the driveway. Yesterday we got the stump dug out from the neighbor coming over. So we got a big hole in the front yard, big stump we need to burn up. It's a lot bigger than we thought, and probably not going to be able to use it. I should have used it, or I did it when the tree first fell down. And then I've just been slowly working on this thing. I've got about 4 more spot welds on this side, and then I've got a few more on the same location, but I could actually reach a few more because it was bent on here. So I'm trying to decide how I'm going to get in here and get these last few off so I can get this radiator support thing off. Got it separated from the side rail over here, and then that one as well. But I'm going to try this. I saw a few people that grind them down, and this will actually reach into that small, it's a space underneath the bumper, kind of where it attaches, and there's not just any place to get it drilled for those things. So I'm going to try that. I got to go get some discs. These little paper discs, they break. They work good, but they break so easy. So hopefully there's some better ones. I don't know, maybe Dremel actually makes some good ones or whatever. But yeah, I think I'm just going to drink my coffee this morning, figure out a plan. We still haven't decided. We found 2 cars. One is a replacement parts car, and then one that actually got rear-ended that somebody wants to sell for $500. So I may just buy that and then buy both cars. Replace the lights on the back of the one that got rear-ended, and that one should run. He says it runs fine. It's just all the lights are smashed and everything. So we may go pick that one up today. So if we do that, then that'll put all the projects on hold because it's all the way in Austin. So it'll be a little bit of a drive, and then we'll have to come back and get started again on this. This was the major damage. So if I can get him off of here, I'll probably have to cut that little corner off there and do something with it, because it's this piece right here bent as well, which this attaches to. So I'll have to figure that out. But lots of things going on. It's kind of how it goes sometimes, right? You got to do things when it comes. Our friend brought the tractor and dumped some more dirt, so we needed to get that done so we can get his tractor back to him. And then the guy came by and just offered to help with the stump, so we got that taken care of as well. So lots of things. Golf cart's still sitting there. I haven't had time to go over and check to see if he's finished. He kind of just works out of the back of a garage and does things when he can. So I'm sure he's done. It's been almost 2 weeks, so I'll have to go get that. I don't think he's there on Saturdays, of course, so on Monday that's on my list to try and do. So I got a lot of things going. I'd like to get some of them finished. If I can get this and my golf cart out of here, I'll be in pretty good shape. That way I can get back to just normal playing around and stuff. Alright, well, I'm going to drink my coffee, and I'm after we run to town, because this one's actually broken already. It was just on there in the case, and it snapped in half, so I'll have to go find some of those, and then see about getting those cut off of there. If not, I may just use the air chisel, and if it tears it up, I'm not going for factory look when I'm done. So, but yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to finish this up, and as always, check back for the actual videos of each part. I'll have one for the stump, have one for this, and we'll do one for the dirt probably. We're kind of fixing the driveway. There was a couple spots where you could actually start to see under the driveway, and the next rain we have in this sand, if it gets in there, it'll start washing underneath the driveway, then it'll crack and break, we'll have a problem. So we're getting that all fixed and leveled off so that the water will go over the driveway, and probably have to do that if it rains like it does out here. You might have to do that every couple years, because it does run kind of down that hill like that. So, but we're gonna get all that stuff fixed, and just keep on working just like that. There's always something to do, so get outside and do it. And as always, check back. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.